Are you looking for Hesperia, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. This house for sale is located in Hesperia, California in the heart of the high desert. Doesn't matter if you're already living in Hesperia or if you're just starting to think about moving to Hesperia. Check out my virtual open house home tour now. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Southern California real estate agent at Exp Realty. Okay, I've shown you the front yard, the backyard. We've seen the 3-car garage. The architecture is amazing on the house. It's very aesthetically pleasing. The houses in the neighborhood are great, similar like this. Hey, let's go take a look at the rest. All stainless steel appliances, cabinets everywhere. I'm in love. Oh, and don't forget one of my favorites. You can watch the kiddies playing in the backyard while you're in here cooking a feast. I know this looks like the living room, but guess what? It's not. This is the primary suite. Fireplace, massive room, and then around the corner, the bathroom. And this is the family room. Nice fireplace. Okay, so we got a large dining room right here, large family room behind me, and the kitchen opens to the dining room and the family room. All a very open floor plan. Notice the high ceilings. I don't know, I think they're about 11 feet. I tried to jump up there and touch this fan. I'm still about a foot away from it. Got to be 11-foot ceilings.